how to use different gestures on Google Pixel phone. First, go to settings, click on settings, then type in the search gestures, and then click on gestures under system, click here, and then here you will find all gestures that you can use. So like the first one is quick tap to start action. So when you double tap at the back of your phone, it's gonna do something. So if I turn it on and then I say take a screenshot, so when I exit here, and now I'm gonna double tap at the back of my phone, and then it takes a screenshot. And then the next gesture, let me just show you. You can also set it to do different things, like play different media or pause media, or turn on the flashlight, or open different application. You can do a lot with it. There's the next gesture is double press power button, which will activate either the camera or the wallet. So this is really useful if you want to quickly like turn on the camera by double pressing on the power button. I have it turned on. Then the next one is flip camera for selfie. Basically all you do is you like shake the phone slightly and then it's gonna flip the camera to from selfie mode to like the reverse basically. See, it's very easy to use, and they have a small demonstration how to use it here. And then here you can enable it or disable it. And then the next one is tap to check phone. So this feature is basically when your screen is turned off, you just tap on the screen once and then it's gonna turn on. To enable it, just make sure to click this button, and that will enable it basically. And then the next one is lift to check the phone. So this feature helps you like when your phone is turned off, and let's say you have it on the table, when you pick it up, it's gonna turn on automatically, like the screen will turn on. And for the next one, it's the one-handed mode. So if your phone screen is too long, or you're using like the plus version or the ultra version of Google Pixel phone, then you can use the one-handed mode, which basically you can activate by swiping down from the middle. I don't think I have it currently activated. Let me just check. Yeah, so just a note, to be able to use the one-handed mode, you need to switch from the three button navigation to the gesture navigation. That's like the only way to use it. And then for the next gesture is the press and hold the power button. This is like by default, but you can change it so that instead of showing like the power options, you can switch it to like digital assistant or Google Assistant. And then the next one is this will basically, when you flip your phone, it will silence it, and kind of like it's gonna turn on the do not disturb feature basically. It's really useful if you're in a quiet place and you quickly want to set your phone on silent. You just flip your phone over and that's it. That's pretty much it for all the gestures. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.